Today we are making Maryland crab cakes. This recipe calls for lump crab meat, but I just found this in my grocery store. Check it out, super lump. Yeah, we're using this. Start out with a large bowl. Then we're gonna add some mayo into this bowl, some Dijon mustard, some Worcestershire sauce, some Old Bay, garlic powder, onion powder, red pepper flakes, a touch of sugar, and then we're gonna mix all of this together. Taste the mixture at this point. If it doesn't need any adjusting, you can add in 1 egg. Now we are adding in our lump crab meat. Make sure you pick your crab through for any shells. And we're just gonna fold it nicely so that we don't break up any of these clumps. We are also adding a little bit of lemon juice. I forgot to do this earlier, but it's okay to do it now. Now we're adding in our panko and some chopped parsley. Now we're just going to cover this and refrigerate it for 30 minutes.
After the mixture is set, you're going to form it into 8 crab cakes. I use the ice cream scoop to help me out. This is very easy.
Scatter about a tablespoon of butter all around your crab cakes. And do one last sprinkling of Old Bay. Now pop these in the oven.